We're here live in the Rasta Village in the heart of Little Haiti, representing May the 20th, Haitian Flag Day Festival, the culture, the vibes, the people, everything. And tonight, I'm representing with Madam Angela Unique.
Hi, my name is Adriana Unique, representing Larok with Racine. We'll be here playing for the people. I come from Haiti, and love my people will be ready to play for them, right?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Blessed Love Queen. Tonight, we also have a reggae artist and a Haitian artist, Sun Love. Sun Love, tell me a little bit more about the festival today. It's coming up.
What I could say, a big blessing. You know what I mean? It's going down. Haitian Flag Days, May 28th. There's a lot of different artists going to be performing. We're going to have Adjano. You know what I mean? And we're going to have, Ras, King, Chief. We're going to have Deepesh Patriot. We're going to have a lot of different artists, a lot of different, performance. But it's going down. Be there.
Big up Haiti. It's going down live here in the Rasta Village in the heart of Little Haiti. The address here is 5225 Northwest 2nd Avenue in the heart of Little Haiti. We're representing the Rasta Village tonight. Big up Jihad Tower in the Rasta Village. Blessed Love. We look forward to seeing you all there.
Nation ap goumé contre nation, épidémie prend première position, et bien c'est guerre de religion.